Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp login not available right now problem in WhatsApp application. The error login not available right now problem in WhatsApp usually occurs due to temporary server problems, internet issues or apps configuration error. Let's see the most effective solution explained step by step. Step 1. Turn on airplane mode for 30 seconds, then turn off. Step 2. Open your phone setting. Search Wi-Fi. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Step 3. Long press or long tap in WhatsApp application. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 4. Open Play Store. Go to Search. Search WhatsApp app. Update your WhatsApp application latest version. Step 4. Restart your device and again open it. You can follow all of the steps to fix WhatsApp login not available right now problem in WhatsApp application. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.